So now that we have our west side of the bridge working with our 3 LEDs, our servo, and our ultrasound sensor, we can go ahead and start on the east side. So it's going to be the exact same thing as we did on the west side for our LEDs. So we need our 3 LEDs and our 220 ohm resistor. And again, we're going to have all of the short legs, the cathodes of our LEDs in the same row. So we can go ahead and start with our red LED. And this time we're going to put it into row 45. So the short leg is going to go into row 45, and the long leg will go in row 46. Just like that. And then we'll take our yellow LED. Remember, the short leg again is going to go in the same row, so row 45, but the long leg is going to go in row 47. So now we can see both of the short legs of our LEDs are in row 45. The long leg of the red is in 46. The long leg of the yellow is in 47. And then the long leg of the green will go in 48. And the short leg will go in 45. Just like that. So now each of our long legs has its own row, and then our short legs are all in the same row. Remember, our short legs are going to go to ground through a resistor. So we're going to take our 220 ohm resistor and put it in row 45 with our short legs, and then insert it into ground. So now we've got our short legs going to ground, and then we just need to connect our long legs to the Arduino itself. So I'm going to take 3 male-to-male wires, and we can go ahead and wire it to our Arduino. So I'm going to take one of the jumpers and insert it into the same row as the long leg of the red LED. So that's 46. So same row as the long leg of the red LED. And this one is going to go into pin 13 on the Arduino. And then we're going to take a second wire, and this one will go to our yellow LED. So the same row as the long leg of the yellow LED, and that's 47. And then this one will go to pin 12 on the Arduino. And then lastly, we just need to do our green LED. So I'm going to go ahead and put our jumper in the same row as our green LED. And remember, it doesn't matter which pin you put it in here, because this row is all connected. We could put it in this one or in this one. It doesn't make a difference. So we just need to insert that. And then this one is going to go to pin 11 on the Arduino. So we've got our green going into pin 11, our yellow into pin 12, and our red into pin 13. And now we have our LEDs for the west side or the east side of our bridge fully wired. So we can go ahead and start wiring our servo.